Aloha and welcome back to Holiday Road. Welcome to beautiful Maui. We are here at the Hyatt Regency beginning a week of excitement and adventure on one of America's best states.
We have a lot planned. We are going on the road to Hana tomorrow. We have a helicopter tour later in the week, and we rented snorkel equipment for the week. So we will be doing a lot of swimming in the ocean and a lot of poolside.
And now, Deanna and I will recreate this gymnastics pose. Our home base for this week-long of relaxation and adventure is the Hyatt Regency Resort, located on the west side of the island. Now, not only were the rooms super nice at this place, but the pool and resort setting was incredible. They had great food, plenty of restaurants, and just plenty of fun things to do. It was also located right on the beach, so you were never far from the sand and the water. So we just rented snorkel gear for the week. One of the things I'm most excited about doing, Deanna is a little afraid of being in the water.
We rented him snorkel gear.
Yeah, we don't want to do a tour.
If I want to try it.
But I'm super excited about what we'll see here. Today we've walked down from our resort to Black Rock Beach, which is supposed to be a big snorkeling hub. Also maybe some cliff jumping. The beach is much wider here, so really nice place to lounge around for the afternoon.
It looks like the water is a little bit less crazy here, so we'll see if I can venture in and how it goes.
I'm extremely burnt. I thought I put enough sunscreen on, but I guess I didn't. And I also forgot to put sunscreen on my legs. And then I sat out in the sun, so we'll see how this ends up for the rest of the week. But I'm pretty red right now. But the snorkeling was a massive success. Saw lots of cool stuff, including more turtles. And I got some of them on camera. Now headed to the summit of Haleakala, where there's supposed to be a big crater and some volcanic remnants, so it should be really cool. But hey, in the meantime, make sure you hit that subscribe button to our channel. This is not our only Maui video. We have several Maui videos coming and released. So if you want to stay up to date on this and our other travel adventures, make sure you like this video, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more.
Like we're about a third of the way up to the Haleakala crater, and it's like we're in the middle of a cloud. Like everywhere you look, it's just gray and you can't see down, and we're on these switchbacks. It's pretty wild. So when we started started our journey up here, it was like 80 degrees down at the base. And I was really worried about having sunscreen on because Zach and I are both a little burnt.
I'm very burnt.
Yeah, Zach's very burnt. I'm burnt like right here. But we are up here now at the entrance to the park and it's 58 degrees.
It took a while to convince Deanna because it's so cold. We found a hiking trail that goes right down into the crater, so I think we're gonna check it out.
It's gonna be really cold. I brought a swimsuit, but not a jacket, so.
As we walk this volcanic landscape, I'm reminded that elevation makes things hard to breathe. This trail is really pretty easy going down, but I know going up is really gonna blow. Well, that officially wraps it up for Haleakala National Park. This is our 4th National Park this year. If you want to see more of Haleakala National Park, check out our video on the road to Hana, where we see the backside of the park. If it's not posted already, it will be soon. Side of the island today, trying to see the Nakalele blowhole. Short hike off the road. Looks pretty cool from a distance. Here at the Olivine Pools, which is another hike off the side of the road. It's supposed to be pretty dangerous, so I think we're gonna try to keep back from the pools. Well, at least I'm gonna have Deanna keep back from the pools. Something very exciting today.
We are going on our helicopter tour today, and I am prepared.
So we just finished up at Air Maui, which is the helicopter tour across West Maui and Molokai, and oh my gosh, one of the coolest things we've ever done in our lives.
I think it's the coolest thing we've ever done. It was like being in a real life movie. I don't even know how to describe it.
There was a waterfall the size of the Empire State Building. It was nuts. Just sitting here down by the pool, enjoying life. Just got my t-shirt for the trip. How was your ice cream?
It was so good. I got mango sherbet as our last evening in Hawaii. It seemed fitting.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our trip to Maui. Be sure to stay tuned to our channel. We have more videos coming, including a video on our epic road trip through the road to Hana and some reviews of the food. So make sure you're subscribed to our channel. It really helps us and we really appreciate it.
This has been such a fun trip. We've had such a great time, so many memories, and we can't wait to share them with you.
Before we came to Hawaii, I saw this meme on Facebook that said how Hawaii and everywhere in Hawaii was just a bunch of lifted Toyotas, and this is the truest thing ever. I'm seeing literally hundreds of Toyota trucks that are all extremely lifted. It's crazy.